Alright, I'm gonna head out first because obviously I'm crooked. I would be the one. Look at that. I wonder what's in the box. What do you think it is?
A Christmas tree? I don't know. Huh?
Getting a Christmas tree installed on the C6 Z06. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm all about that St. Nicholas.
Bike rack.
Yeah, getting a bike rack installed on the C6 Z06. It could be anything. We don't know what it is. I feel like a bunch of people are gonna know what the hell this is.
Be careful on that hole.
What do you mean? Oh, you think I'm stupid? Son of a bitch. Kim is putting another. You forgot to put it away.
I gotta go put it away.
As you guys can see, the C6 is looking as fresh as ever. Oh God, I can't get enough of those wheels. I just can't. I can't. I cannot.
Nice.
So it's gonna be a little odd today. I have to drive the Z06 to the dealer to get that part installed. But obviously, you guys know my situation. You know that I have a cast on my foot. With that said, we're gonna do it anyway. How safe is this?
It's not safe.
All right, not safe at all, but we gotta do it. I love you.
I love you
If
too.
I die, right? If I die, I want you to sell all my stuff and be homeless.
Well, I'll live in the Corvette.
No, I want you to be just homeless and by yourself. I don't want you to
By
be
myself?
Yeah, homeless by yourself. Don't marry anybody else.
I don't want to be alone.
Hey! So let's see how this is gonna work. What I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my toe to basically no, that's not gonna work, is it? Not sure if you guys noticed, but we have finally, what the fuck? Met our goal of 1,000 subscribers. This is a huge achievement for me. Like I'm excited. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. That Martini guy, Street 717, Coderman, Sleeping Panda, my boy. Don't think I forgot about you. But everybody that basically posted on, you know, their Instagram page or Facebook, you know, asking, you know, just showing off my videos, and I want to thank everybody basically that helped me get to this point. You know, this is just an achievement that I just had within myself to do, and it just kind of feels good. Can't believe this is actually working. I'm actually driving with a cast on my left foot in a manual transmission car. This is probably the stupidest thing I've ever done. Ooh, damn, okay. Okay. Actually not going too bad. I had very low hopes for this happening, but it's actually working. Okay. Hear that, bad boy? You hear that? You hear? Woo. About to race this lady. About to race her. She's all-wheel drive, so I think she'll beat me off the line. But I think I got this. She has no idea we're racing. That's how I know I'm gonna win. Off the line like I thought. Tires are definitely not warm. You know what? Driving with this cast on wasn't so bad, but I miss having two legs. Alright, so here we are. This is where I go the majority of the time to get stuff done to the Z. So far, all the things that I've needed to get done. These guys are the ones that actually did the motor swap and put a new block in this bad boy. I'm just gonna park it here. I'm not gonna be fancy and face it outwards, no. Flawless. I have to actually go change out my cast. I have stitches and I have to get the stitches taken out. So I'm gonna get in there and hopefully I can get a smaller cast because I can't go the whole summer without driving. So the Z's there. You gonna miss her?
I am gonna miss her. Hopefully we can take her out later today.
They're saying that's gonna be ready today. So.
And look at the sky.
Oh, it's gorgeous out.
That sky.
Gorgeous. Oh, it's getting started. Oh, that's my buddy Bill over there. Takes care of all my Corvette Z06. Takes care of all my Corvette Z06 needs. God, it sounds nasty. Already going in it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Bill DeLuca, Haverhill, Mass. Ask for Bill. Bill the Scully. He will take care of all your service needs.
Chevrolet needs. Whoops, sorry.
Let's get this cast off my leg.
Pink.
Here. I always get nervous coming here for some odd reason. I don't know, like I associate hospitals with extreme pain now. Because there's never been a point where I've been to the hospital where I haven't been hurt.
I know, but I'll tell you, your orthopedic team is amazing.
So I have a group of doctors that are just like flawless. They take really, but I always have to go through the emergency. Like, I always have to go to the emergency exit, like entrance of this hospital, which leads me to think that I am like a priority patient because I'm a broke dick. But either way, I'm going inside to get the cast off and the stitches taken out. I will see you guys afterwards. I can't bring the camera inside.
You gonna do the before?
Oh, so this is the before. It's not gonna change because it's 4th of July next week, Wednesday. I want to get the same thing.
Remember, you're not supposed to say what it is either.
Right, so that's why I'm recording right now.
Oh, okay.
My buddy Bill just contacted me through text message and saying something is not quite right with the item that we're having installed in the Corvette. But the car is, I guess, ready in some way. I have to just see what's going on with it. Hopefully it's nothing big and we can just kind of work around it. But I'm kind of nervous at this point. I'm not sure.
I'm scared to death, considering everything that's been happening.
You know, with my leg breaking and all this other shit. I'm a little nervous, but we're gonna go down there and hopefully it's something that we can just either send it back to the manufacturer and it'll be, you know, we'll be compensated or maybe replaced somehow. I don't know. We'll see when we get there. So this kind of sucks. I just drove by and I think I see the car on the lift. I'm completely nervous. Sucks. I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get this thing done now.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know how. He does everything. They actually build race cars. They build race motors.
All right, I don't think that was the best idea throwing Dookie. Oh, God, that stinks. Anyway, so we're home. Let me go ahead and show you guys, you know, what happened. Can I get those crutches, honey? Thank you, my beloved.
You're welcome.
You are awesome.
Do you want me to wait for you out here?
No, you don't have to wait.
Are you sure? All right, I'll let the dogs out.
Who let the dogs out? Kim did. Kim let the dogs out. All right, go let the dogs out, girl. Anyway, so the parts are ordered from this company, and I don't want to put their name out there, but you could probably see them on Duramax Jack's channel. I ordered the side rails for the Z06. This one fits immaculately. Look at that, so clean.
Nice.
No, it looks gorgeous. It gives the car a completely more stealthy appearance. And plus, I've been having issues with keeping rocks out of, you know, the rocker panels. So this should help. But unfortunately, that is the only side that actually works. You see, what happened was, the other side was, I'm guessing, molded incorrectly. So unfortunately for me, I'm driving around with just one rocker panel, and that makes me look kind of foolish. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna contact the company. Hopefully they can maybe overnight me a rocker panel and I can get them installed. But I'm pretty much asked out at this point. It kind of sucks, but kind of glad I went to them instead of trying to put it on myself. Saved me a lot of time and effort. I don't know what I'm gonna do at this point, but again, I want to thank every one of you guys for my 1,000 subscribers. I am going to be doing the giveaway soon. I'm just trying to, you know, get things kind of situated, and it's kind of hard with just one leg, but we will get it situated. And yeah, if you're watching this for the first time, please consider subscribing. It would help me out a lot, and I would very much appreciate it. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.